All right, this little juicy dude. See, back in her day would have been a nice high dollar fun boat. Good project. You have to ask Ernie if there's a title or not. But there is a number. Looks like good bones for a project. Just one quick walk around through this, see how much we can still get. Stack of trailers and trailer parts. Lots of interior stuff. More trailers, more project boats, more trailers, more project boats, more trailers, same trailers, more. Lots of stuff. Oh yeah. A couple other regular boat trailers and a couple pontoon trailers up there. Try to make this all in one video since we had trouble getting a complete one last time. Hopefully we won't run out of whatever we ran out of. Shame. I like Regals. Kind of miss being able to take the Commodore out. The Regal Commodore, not Commodore Perry. Former Worshipful Master at Orchard Park, Blue 267. Former Potentate of Morocco's Shrine. All around good guy. Former pilot. Vietnam vet. A cool old 911. A real 911, not one of these water pumper plastic ones you see today. But yep, more spare wheels. Somebody else's fun time. Oh yeah. The Hustler Main Squeeze 2. Ouch. Really ouch. Really a shame. I need a big grill. Nothing a little fiberglass work won't fix. Nothing a lot of fiberglass work won't fix. Yep. Wow, that had a Momo steering wheel before. Wonder where that went. Hee hee. Everybody knows actually where that went. And it was done with permission, so. How far back everything goes, we don't know. Well, wow. We're working on it. You got your own ecosystem in this boat. Like I said, come down with some cash, make an offer on one or all. And drag him out. So we let Ernie take some rest. He's out here every day overseeing this, trying to get there, and he's 82. He's earned his rest. So let's help him out. Any snakes in here? Nope. A little cobia. One-man band, Vic Hyde. Parade, Calliope Mighty Wurlitzer. Interesting. We'll have to look him up. Probably a fellow Shriner like Ernie and myself. Maybe he is, maybe he isn't. Yep. Yeah, we didn't know that went actually that far, did we? None of our other videos showed that. Scrap metal paradise. More trailers. More stacks. Rope. That cleats up there. A base for a pontoon boat. I'm really disappointed somebody didn't rescue this wellcraft. Because this wellcraft was not that bad off previous. Not until it got moved. Those big trailers that we were in the other day, they're gone. But oh, such a shame. Look at the previous pictures, you see how that looked. Whoops, capsized. Looks like the results of coming in from the Kingfish tournament. Anybody that's been going through the intercoastal or the mouth of the St. Johns River after the Kingfish tournament, when they're all coming in, knows exactly what I'm talking about. Well, the formula is still available, or still here, so I'm assuming it's available. Again, you will need to call Ernie, and we'll get that set up. Another good sized trailer. Whoops. Yeah. Out drives, another wellcraft. We will keep doing upgrades and videos until we're fully finished here. We'll be coming back. I generally, since I come in from Jack's, maybe once a week, unless there's a special reason I need it earlier, and we can work around that. But since Ernie's the man that makes the decisions, there really isn't much reason for me to be, other than to do what I'm doing here. So, come see Ernie, have fun, enjoy your weekend. Happy New Year.